Forget calculators. In just 2 minutes, you'll be subtracting big numbers in your head without breaking a sweat. Let's start simple. What is 75 minus 38? So we can use the same technique. We can break down 75 into 70 plus 5, and 38 is basically 30 and 8. But you need to apply the negative sign to both numbers, not just a 30. Otherwise, it's not going to work. So now, 70 minus 30, that's equal to 40. So we have 40 plus 5 minus 8. Now 5 minus 8 is a negative number that's going to be negative 3, and 40 minus 3 is 37. So 37 is your final answer. Now what about this 143 minus 56? Go ahead and work on that example. So we can write this as 100 plus 40 plus 3 and 56. We can write that as 50 and 6, making both numbers negative. Now, 100 minus 50. There's many ways in which you could do this, but let's do 100 minus 50, because that's positive 50. And 3 minus 6. Well, that's going to be negative. 3, you can do this in many different orders. So you just pick and choose whichever order you feel comfortable in doing this. Now 40 minus 3 is 37, and 50 plus 37 is 87. So that's going to be your answer for this example. Your turn. What's 356 minus 189? Pause the video and give it a try. I'll reveal the answer in 5 seconds. Got it? Here's how. So let's break down 356 into 300 plus 50 plus 6, and negative 189 is going to be minus 100 minus 80 minus 9. So let's start with 300 minus 100 is 200. Next we have 50 minus 80, which is negative 30, since 5 minus 8 is negative 3. And then we have 6 minus 9, which is negative 3. Now 200 minus 30. That is equal to 170, and 170 minus 3. That's going to be 167. And so that should be the final answer. With just a little practice, subtraction gets faster and easier. Try it the next time you're shopping or checking change. If this helped, hit that like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Mental math tricks for multiplication.